Alright, so what we're going to do is, these are my temporary fix for low voltage lights. I've unplugged everything down at the source so I don't get a small shock. So I'm just going to take these wire nuts off. Problem I have is it keeps getting corroded because I have an irrigation sprinkler right here. So I found a nice little solution to it. I've got these splice reducers from Blackburn that I got at Home Depot. So I'm just going to open those up. So there's one side. Here's the other side. And it's thundering in the background, so I'm going to try and hurry up here. So now that these are non-polar, it doesn't really matter which side that I connect them to, but these two can't touch. If they do, it'll short and you won't be able to use it down the line. So I've got some heat shrink, some Raychem that I got from Home Depot. It should be 4:1 shrinking. So I'm trying to cut this in half. And it's way too much for what I need here. I'm going to put a tube there. And I'll put another tube on the other side. And it just goes in like so. Alright, I'm going to let that cool for a few minutes, and then I'm going to wrap it in electrical tape. And that's right now, everything is still on the far end. So while this cools, I'm going to replace some of these lights. They've been in probably about a year, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them because I've got about 14 and half of them are out, and that's just recent development. So here's another downside. I just took this out of the box. This clamp is broken. There is another way that I'd like to try, but I'm just gonna go get my money back for this one. And unfortunately they only had 3 and I need 7. So alright, so back to our bandage here. Everything's still lit, and this is the best way I found to keep these things watertight. So now this plant out. I'm going to start just off of where I put the shrink wrap on, and then I'm just going to wrap it end to end.